Loose ends, tying a rope on my neck. Pretend that I could hang on till the end. I can't sleep, the weight of the world's in my head. Don't look now, I'm coming undone. It's not a complex, I'm just fucked up. Don't know how I made it this far with no connection between my head and my heart. Outline fading, the colors dissipating, falling, I can't breathe. It's gravity that drags me down. Don't let me get too low. You know me well. Sometimes when I'm alone, it gets so damn hard to tell what I want from what I need. I spiral slowly down until you pull me out of the grave I dug myself. You got your finger on the trigger, another false start. It's not a close call, still a long shot. Don't know how to start it over. I can't remember when everything fell apart. Final warning, my consciousness distorting. Now it all feels so heavy, like gravity, it drags me down. Don't let me get too low. You know me well. Sometimes when I'm alone, it gets so damn hard to tell what I want from what I need. I spiral slowly down until you pull me out of the grave I dug myself. In the ground underneath, can't understand how I got this deep. I need to say it to me right from the line when it's all you can say. Right from the line when it's all you can say. Somebody say it to me. Right from the line when it's all you can say. Someday, maybe the gravity won't drag me down. Don't let me get too low. You know